Well, we've connected.
It's a flying camera.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah. So he's following them right now, trying to get videos of them.
Instead of having a bomb, it's a flying camera. Goes all over the land and you've got fantastic.
Takes really good video. Blood. Whoa. To find the fox. The hunt is on. Hey, I know you're watching a funeral, but Jack's horse is laying on the floor and called something called cast, and we need help. In the barn. Bye. He's coming! Jack, he's coming! No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, stop, 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 stop. Jack! Stop. I don't know how she got up.
Did you wiggle when you were there a little bit? As long as you can walk, we're good.
So when Maverick got cast, that was when she rolled too close to the wall of the barn, and then that's why she couldn't get up, and it's called cast.
So technically speaking,
How's that feel, Mom? So Bobby went deer hunting this morning, and Jack's been having major issues with his animals getting eaten by birds. So he saw the fox this morning, so he actually shot him, and we are tracking the blood, whoa, to find the fox. The hunt is on. You lost the trail?
You're standing on blood, basically. Yeah, the blade's bent.
So you can just switch this part out?
Yeah,
And they're
probably just replace
interchangeable?
the whole thing. Just the whole head.
Okay.
It's supposed to look like that.
Which is quite sad, actually, but a win for High Ground Farm. Well done, babe.
Got it done.
Be careful, rabies and stuff, man.
Ooh, felt like you moved a little bit. He didn't move.
Oh, hello! Are you coming to say hello? Hello! This is a Polish chicken, and we're going to give her a little haircut because it makes it hard for her how to see. Good morning, Tom. I think he'll be good at this. Be the hairdresser. Will you let Rory do it next week? Can you be a little hairdresser?
I think Tom wants some cut too.
Oh, oh.
Last week, Red Bull have been on top.
We're listening
They surely
to
look odds-on favourites
Logan.
to get back to winning ways. Here over 53 laps of this figure
We've got the Formula One race going.
18 corners, 8 to the left and 10 to the right.
we get on
Top speed of nearly
with a lot of things at High Ground Farm.
It's not just riding horses and driving tractors. Ow! Kidding.
That's not even funny. So Rory, my son, joined the cross-country team, which means I essentially did too.
And
And
he wants to.
he wants to spend more time together.
Aww.
Right, Rory? You know.
Foxy's his assistant.
I'm gonna put this on a pause.
Roan color.
Red Roan.
And he's between 3 and 4.
3 and 4 years old, and you just got him from the
Ow!
Amish?
Ow! Ow! Little bitch.
Wow, she probably thought you were Foxy. Oh, Patriot, you're being sweet
Do you want to try some
today.
Boss Patriot route?
Oh, I like it. Oh no, so now the pony's trying to bite.
That's her route.
Look, she just bit. If I stop, that's when she starts moving. Are you rubbing me back? Finish with Dutch, who moved the hay feeder from
the 2-acre paddock into this large 20-acre paddock for the horses for the winter.
Shout out to Farm Tough Farmco. So one of the fun things we get to do at Jack's house is lots of videoing.
Yeah, we video the activities at the farm, and Danielle loves to be in costume, so she's had me wear Aquaman, Batman, and
you ordered like 8 Amazon costumes for when Bobby and I got here.
No, that was Bobby.
Just now get into the auction, and I didn't realize it was going to be this cool. We're excited.
That's a pneumatic drill. It's my air.
So we're leaving the Amish auction. Bobby did see a bow that he had his eye on, but they didn't start auctioning them off yet.
And that's some real nice bows, to be honest with you.
Since he run over basically the other one, it got crushed under the 4-wheeler, but it was a fun.
No, I am. I've never taken so long just sitting down today.
Enjoying it.
Yeah.
Taking it all in.
And I didn't know anything about you coming today.
What did you say when I walked in the door?
I said something like, if I remember rightly, I said something like, I don't know them. I don't know them.
No, you said, why the fuck are you here?
What?
You said, why the fuck are you here? It'll dry itself out.
I was getting off the boat and the rope caught around my waist.
Deer meat spaghetti bolognese.
Very good.
Good?
Well, spaghetti squash, my dear me.
Tune in, like,
Subscribe and share.
subscribe, and share.